McCormick versus Brevig is the story of a sister and brother who fell out over management of their cattle ranch, a trial court that tried to keep the family farm intact, and the Montana Supreme Court's take on what it means to liquidate. Charles Brevig had purchased his parents' ranch back in 1960. His son, Clark Brevig, started to run the ranch with him in 1977. Charles's daughter, Joan McCormick, lived on the ranch and helped operate it. Alas, the ranch was suffering severe financial hardship. It couldn't generate enough income to cover its debts. The solution was for Joan to get a job in the oil and gas industry. Her income from this job went to cover the ranch's financial obligations. After Charles died in 1982, Clark and Joan became co-owners of the ranch. They entered into a partnership agreement to operate the ranch together. Joan continued to support the property through her job. Her name was on the ranch's mortgage. She paid its taxes and insurance, and she kept the ranch's books. Clark and Joan made management decisions together. Unfortunately, by the early 1990s, Clark and Joan no longer agreed on how to operate the ranch. In 1995, Joan sued Clark and the partnership. She alleged that Clark had spent partnership assets for his personal use. She sought an accounting of the partnership's affairs and dissolution of the partnership. She argued that the partnership's assets should be liquidated and the net value distributed to her and Clark proportionately. The court held that the partnership should be dissolved and the assets liquidated, but decided it would be inequitable to destroy the family ranch by selling the assets to satisfy Joan's interest. Consulting Black's Law Dictionary, the court concluded that liquidation could mean settling all debts and apportioning remaining assets among the partners. It held that instead of forcing the siblings to sell all the property, Clark could buy out Joan's interest in the ranch. A special master determined that Joan's share of the partnership assets was worth about $1.1 million. Clark tendered this amount to Joan to purchase her interest in the ranch. Joan refused to accept payment and appealed to the Montana Supreme Court.